Come. Okay, you two kids, settle down. We're going to get treats. We're going to get treats. Look. Ooh, what I got. Oh, God, here comes old man. Everybody's waiting for their treats. Everybody's waiting for their treats. This is treat time. Go to bed time. And they sleep all night in their crate, and I usually have to wake them up, especially Princess. And Serena says, I'm usually ready to come out, but I'm good all night. Okay, let's see. We got all kinds of treats here for these kids. Yes, we do. Let's see what we got. Come on, Princess. You need to move up in line. Yeah, you need to move up in line. We got Big Boy here, Senior, and there's the Wizard, and there's all the kids. And now we're going to run go get in our beds. Okay, y'all ready? Okay, come. Y'all go run get in bed. Come. Come. Y'all got to decide what crate you're going to get in. Y'all got to decide. Okay, there you go. Go get in yours, Serena. Go get in yours. Okay, come. Here we go. Good girl. Good girls. I'll bring him some more after little boy shuts up. Yeah. Okay. Okay, all right. Come on. Okay.